Ah! Now, it's not only when you're angry and frustrated that you now stomp it. You now stomp it to assess your clients better. Today we're going to go over some stomp it tests, including a vertical hop test. Now, we've already done some hop tests over the course of the testing. This is going to give us some new information that previously we just have never been able to get, especially in a really quick and simple way. We're also going to have a look at a horizontal jump. So I'm going to jump at you, maybe coming through your screen, so just be careful there. And then I'm going to finish off with a mid-thigh pull. Now, we saw that I already did a max deadlift with the trap bar. This is going to, again, allow me to see how I'm loading through each leg while I'm doing something maximal like that, and see how much force and power I can generate doing that test as well. All right, so let's get into it. Let's have a look at the hop test. So I'm going to start on my left leg first. I'm just going to run that there. I'm going to do 3 repetitions. So I'm going to hop up and then back down as high as I can. I'm trying to generate as much force, as much power to go as high as I can. And then I'm going to hit stop, and then I'm just going to switch sides and do the same. Feels a little bit harder on that right side. Looking at the peaks, so I'm getting about 33% more force through the left side when I'm doing this test. When I come down to the rate of force development, it's actually 40% higher on the left side compared to the right. That probably indicate or goes along with some of the other things we've found so far through the strength testing, but there's definitely a noticeable difference there. Let's have a look when I move to a double leg jump. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to start with a foot on each stomp it, and then I'm just going to jump forward, actual catch. Oh, almost. I'm going to come back again and do 3 of those. Good. Last one, so I'm going to try and go as far as I can with that jump. And again, I'm going to stop. So looking at the loading side to side, I'm generating, it's only 2% difference, so pretty similar side to side. But the rate of force development is 20% difference. Okay. Can you guess how much force I was generating through each leg when I was doing the jump there? Have a guess. Have you got it? You got a number in your head? So I was putting about 80 kilos through each leg when I was jumping there. Compare that to when I was hopping before. So in the takeoff aspect, I was putting about 133 kilos through the left leg and only about 90 kilos of force through the right leg. Okay, so they're the sort of forces that are working on that takeoff. When I was landing, I was hitting up over 200 kilos, so over 3.5 times my body weight there when I was landing. So a lot of force going through the body. Okay, so that becomes an issue if I'm going out to play some of those jumping type sports. Think about your patients and clients. All right, what I'm going to grab now is I'm going to rack it now. So I'm going to go into a mid-thigh pull. So I'm going to find that mid-thigh section there. That's it. Might go 1 lower. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 3 maximal pulls up as hard as I can. So again, I'm going to hit start. And like I did with the trap bar, I'm going to pull as hard as I can. And as fast as I can. And again. And 1 more. Okay, let's hit stop there. So given you saw my max, 1 rep max trap bar deadlift is 120 kilos, have a think in your head about maybe how much weight is going through each leg when I was just doing that maximal mid-thigh pull there. All right, have you got a number? So we're looking at about 85 to 90 kilos, and actually I was putting 7% more through that right leg on that occasion. But again, when we look to have a look at the rate of force development, I'm about generating force about 15 kilos quicker on that left side there. All right. So have a think about those numbers. Think about how you might program for me. Because remember, the person who writes the best program for me is going to win a free place to our Mat Live course in 2019. Remember, the only way you can do that though is to head over to the website, click the link above, make sure you do that. Go over there, you'll see all the testing videos so far, all the data, and once you watch all the videos, you'll be able to put in a program for me. And the best program that I'm going to start to do in the first and second phase is going to win that Mat Live course. So if you haven't already, head over there, click the link, sign up, and see if you can win a place to the Mat Live course in 2019.